Vi heter Hacken.
Du! Hej, let's go!
Doctor flying overhead recently as well. Keep an eye on it. See back again. Cymru.
Citizens smart.
James Connolly was there. How Connolly was there. How Connolly was there. Come on! How brave, bold and undaunted. James Connolly was there.
I'm in the green party now. Yes, ho!
That's a good I'll swallow it. I'll get this, but she's one to hold that. Thank you. Oh, wow. Cheers. Thanks. Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah. Cheers. There's others up in back there.
I always keep things up in the back. After 50 years of labor and power in the city of Glasgow, I'm in the parliament, and there's a lot of talk about vision just now. We've got to present a vision of the Scotland we want to live in, and I agree with that. Is that the vision that Labour and those who hold power for this country? More of it. Is that what the No campaign think is good enough? More in the course of the always come right. negativity in the media and the press. Project Fear. Well, I'll tell you what the real Project Fear is. And that's what's coming towards us over the hill as the coalition veers more and more to the right and the massive cuts to the public service and welfare that are about to
Get away. Make you feel as awful, but still I wanna stay. She's a criminal. You know she'll steal your heart just like an animal. A hunter in the dark. She's a criminal. She will not let you go. Irresistible criminal. She looks so innocent, but she'll have you home if you let her. You'll be her baddest mind. She's got that look in her eyes. Vote! If we want a government we voted for and one we can be proud of, vote! If we want universal public services from cradle to grave, vote! If we want to look after our poor, our old and our sick, vote! If we want our country to lead the world in renewable energy, vote! We need to send this message to every town, city, village and street in Scotland. Are you with us?
Yes!
We have a chance to create something extraordinary, but it will take change. And change is only useful if it's change for the better.
Of course.
You know, I feel quite emotional standing here looking out at this fabulous, fantastic
First
crowd
lot
of
nearly
people.
both.
I am